Anyway, welcome aboard the world-famous junglecruise. My bad, I meant to say jungle cruise. I guess that was my first Noel. My name is Skipper Zach, first name Skipper, last name Zach, and I'm going to be your ho-ho host for the next 12 days. I'm kidding. It's not a 12-day cruise. It's just going to feel like it. All right, folks, we are now making our way towards Indiana Jones and the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Haven't seen this many people lined up for treasure since this morning. It is Black Friday, after all. Now, Indiana Jones said that he was not going to be attending the New Year's party later this year. Can't say I blame him. He does not like it when the ball drops and then chases him. Folks, we're now about to approach an ancient Cambodian shrine, built naturally by ancient Cambodian Shriners. Let's take a look at what we got here. Oh, yikes! Okay, folks, Skipper Felix told me that's a Himalayan tiger, but I do not believe him because that looks like a Hima-standard tiger. Now, tigers can reach at the speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest land mammal in the jungle. Ooh, and that right there, that's my friend Mr. Frost. I got him a crock pot for Christmas. But folks, you might want to be careful because sometimes Mr. Frost bites. Ooh, folks. We are now making our way towards the sacred bathing pool of the Indian elephants, but I have never seen all these elephants out at the same time. This is truly unheard of. Now, folks, all these elephants are decent, so feel free to take as many photos as you like. They all have their trunks on. Yeah, that one's a classic. Look at that baby elephant. He is so cute. Now, I heard that most baby elephants are actually hoping to grow in their trunks this holiday season. I guess all they want for Christmas are their 2 trunk teeth. Ooh. Folks, you might want to be careful. A lot of people think it's water coming out of this one's trunk up ahead, but I assure you, it's not. You might want to get down. No, you definitely want to get down. Folks, get down. Duck, 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 duck. Goose, I got you. Welcome back, welcome back. That is a chemistry joke, everybody. And, oh, what would you look right there, folks? Oh, no. It was explosive. Beat me to it. I told my friends to come and break down, but it looks like the gorillas came and broke everything. We're a Black Friday, folks, it's a Silverback Friday. I want you to look at that, it's a blowout sale. They're going. We gotta outrun them because, as we all know, gorillas can reach at the speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest land mammal in the jungle. Now, folks, we are approaching a fork in the river, but I do not need a fork in the river because I brought a sandwich. That right there is the beautiful Schweitzer Falls, named, of course, after Dr. Albert Falls. And if you missed that joke, don't worry, we're going over it later. We're into it now. Folks, I need you to lean. Everyone, lean! 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 Okay, we made it. We made it. You know who taught me that trick? Skipper Eileen. Alright, we're making our way down the Nile River. Longest river in the world. This river goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're in... Close, Africa! Speaking of, folks, that right there is an African bull elephant, one of the rarest animals in the entire jungle. You will never see another African elephant as long as you live. You saw nothing. You heard nothing, too. You know, elephants can reach at the speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest land mammal in the jungle. All right. Safari, so goody. We are making our way down the African belt. You're going to see all sorts of animals here, folks, including wildebeest. Look at that, they're wearing their winter coats. I guess they didn't want to catch pneumonia. Spelled with a G. They were getting kind of tired of the old ammonia. Oh, yikes. You know, it's hard to eat zebra because when you eat zebra, it keeps going light meat, dark meat, light meat, dark meat, light meat, dark meat. I wonder what's going through that zebra's head right now. Definitely not sugar plums. Probably tea. Oh, yikes! Last time I saw that tree, it had 0 limbs. Now it has 20. It's a holiday miracle. This is at least the 34th time I have streamed past this. I call that a miracle on 34th stream. That right there is Skipper Felix. I would try to save him, but I went to Rhino. He's also surrounded by all those hyenas right now. At this time of year, we call them Santa's little yelpers. And hyenas can reach at the speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest land mammal in the jungle. Ooh. Okay, a little bit of a warning, folks. We're now approaching a hippo pool. I wouldn't worry, though. Hippos are actually really calm creatures. During the daytime. At night, all bets are off. Case in point, they're coming out of the water. This is not what I meant when I said I wanted hungry hippos. I wanted a board game. Thanks, Santa. All right, Skipper's got to do what a skipper's got to do. I'm going to scare this one off. Cover your ears, folks. Once again, cover your ears. Look at that, folks. We scared them stiff. By the way, if you're not laughing at these jokes, feel free to keep those ears covered. I will not be offended. Oh! Well, would you look right there. We found out what happened to the other half of Felix's boat. Taken over by chimps off the old block. Chimp wrecked, if you will. Celebrating a merry chimpmas. A lot of people say, Skipper Zach, your job is so easy, a monkey can do it. I say wrong, those are chimps, not monkeys. Because of a chimp like 3 guns. I'm going to tell you the difference between a chimp and a monkey, but it's a really long tail. Ooh, speaking of chimps, looks like the rest of the chimps got into Dr. Moss's fleas and butterflies. At this time of year, we call them the fleas navidad. Now, butterflies can grow from a whopping 12 inches all the way to a whopping 1 foot. That's why we call them the rulers of the jungle. They can also reach at the speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest land mammal in the jungle. It's a shame, they really are not what they used to be. Caterpillars. Folks, this is it, the entire reason why you came to the Jungle Cruise. I'm gonna turn on the party lights. There we go. The one, the only, the backside of water! Yeah! Backside of water. And not to be outdone, the front side of rock! Yeah, there's usually less reaction to the front side of rock. A lot of people take it for granted. Yeah, my delivery of that joke could have been bolder. At this time of year, a lot of people like to joke and say that it's the backside of eggnog, but I actually really do not like that joke. I think those skippers really milk it too much. Ooh. Okay, these bubbles can only mean one thing. We're surrounded by piranhas. Now, they don't celebrate Christmas. They celebrate Piranha, Festival of Bites. So, folks, let's get out of here. You do not want to be here when they start biting. That is some advice you can really sink your teeth into. Up ahead, we have a water buffalo. I actually don't know that much about them. I only know that they can reach at the speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest land mammal in the jungle. But they've got a head start on their Christmas wrapping. Look at that. That tree is wrapped up, complete with a boa on top. I'm kidding, it's a python. You can tell that it's a python because it's 3.14 meters long. A math joke. And we ended our world famous gift shop. Gift shop. Look at those monkeys arguing over that sweater with the reindeer on it. Believe it or not, they actually used to argue over that pair of boxers. We called that a boxing match. Yeah, and then they stopped on December 26th. It was a Boxing Day miracle. Now, folks, out of all the boats I've had today, you have definitely been the most recent. I'm kidding, you've been outstanding. But in just a second, I am going to need you outstanding.